Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine in taking good care of yourselves. So today we are going to start our lesson with the exercise of unit number 10, drug addiction. In the previous videos, dear students, we have completed the translation, English to Urdu translation of the whole unit, and now we are going to start our exercise from today inshallah. So today we are going to do the glossary, the meanings of the difficult words that you came across with, and 4 block questions in the text. So let's get started with the words and meanings. So as during the translation I have been telling you the meanings in Urdu as well, but for your vocabulary and for your MCQs point of view, you are supposed to learn these words and their meanings. It's important. Absolute, complete, perfect या मुकम्मल. Influence, have effect upon, असर अंदाज होना. Taboo, forbidden. Religiously we call it haram, and generally we call it, socially we call it मना करना. Curative, healing, भर जाने वाला. Rehabilitation, recovery, ठीक हो जाना या वापस पुरानी कंडीशन में आ जाना. Relapse, to go back to. Somehow rehabilitation and relapse carry the same meaning. Now let's move to the block questions and their answers. So our first question is, are the drug addicts aware of the dangers of drugs? क्या नशे के आदी लोगों को नशे की या दवाइयों के ख़तरात का अंदाज़ा होता है, या उनको मालूम होता है, या वो इसके बारे में जानते हैं? Yes, the drug addicts are aware of the dangers of drugs, but they are unable to leave them. नशेई या नशे के आदी लोग इस बारे में, ये इनके ख़तरात के बारे में जानते हैं, लेकिन वो इसको छोड़ने के काबिल नहीं होते, बिकॉज दे आर एडिक्टेड टू दैट. द एडिक्शन ऑफ नॉट ओनली ड्रग एग्जिस्ट्स, एडिक्शन ऑफ एनीथिंग इज़ बैड. इट कुड बी वॉचिंग TV, यूजिंग मोबाइल फ़ोन, और एनी अदर एक्शन दैट is difficult for you to leave becomes the addiction. So similarly, if it comes to drugs, when it becomes addiction, it becomes equally bad as the other things are. As other things may less harm your health, but this equally harms your health as well. The next question is, which environmental factor are responsible for drug addiction? Environmental factors such as bad peer influence. Environmental factors का मतलब ये नहीं है that they are talking about the physical environment. They are talking the social environment to which a person is living, talking and commemorating. Bad peer influence, गलत सोहबत का असर, या गलत दोस्तों का असर, या गलत साथी का असर. एंड ट्रबल्ड डोमेस्टिक बैकग्राउंड, ट्रबल डोमेस्टिक घरेलू मुश्किलात. So these both are responsible for drug addiction. So the third question we have is, what treatment is available at the rehabilitation centers for drug victims? These centers strictly supervise the victims. ये बहुत सख्ती से नशे के शिकार लोगों को देखते हैं and provide complete medical support and guidance to the patient. Because in this case, psychologically it's very important to provide proper guidance. So these rehabilitation centers not only give the medical support, यानी दवाइयाँ, और डॉक्टर के साथ साथ पेशेंट को काउंसिल भी किया जाता है या उसको गाइड भी किया जाता है. So the last question is, what do you understand by the term counseling? Counseling means to provide adequate guidance. Adequate mean proper या मुकम्मल या मुनासिब guidance to the patient to solve personal or psychological problems. यानी personal mean physical and psychological mean mental. So काउंसलिंग से मुराद ये है कि पेशेंट को बाकायदा गाइड किया जाता है या कि वो किस तरह से अपने ज़ाती और अपने जहनी मसाइल को हल कर सकता है. So that is it for today. These are very easy questions and definitely are taken from your book, but they are again transformed according to the answers of the questions. So tomorrow inshallah we are resuming our lesson from comprehension questions. Till then, take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.